Welcome back to my channel, Darrice's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury, to lifestyle. And as you can tell by the title, yes guys, today I am going to be doing a, if I can find it, Telfar unboxing. Yes, my first ever Telfar purchase, and this is going to be a true unboxing. I literally just took it out the box, glanced at it. I haven't took it out the wrapper or anything. So you guys will get to experience firsthand what I got from Telfar. But before we get into that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not hit that notification bell yet, make sure you go ahead and hit that as well. And of course, make sure you are liking, commenting, and interacting with me, and just so I can just continue to keep growing here on this platform. And that's just what's going to really help me out, guys. And of course, it's free, and I just I like to hear from you guys, get feedback and all that good stuff. Without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and just jump right into this unboxing slash reveal, I guess we'll call it. Yes guys, I got my first ever Telfar bag. So I was on the fence about whether or not I was actually going to go ahead and even purchase something from the fashion house, but I don't know, I fell into the hype, y'all. I really did. And I don't know, some just said go ahead and try, so I swear it. So I don't know if you guys know that if you're interested in the Telfar brand, then basically you kind of have to be on like a watch, like, so basically, I don't know, when they release them, they give you like a time frame, and they'll give you the colorway that's coming back in stock. And then at that point, I guess you kind of have to, like kind of like with a Beyonce Ivy Park launch, all of that jazz. So you pretty much have to just kind of just try to get your hands on the item at that particular time frame. And if you're one of the lucky ones, you will be able to purchase. So I don't know, for me, it was relatively easy. My biggest issue in the past was just saying, okay, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to set an alarm, I'm going to really try to go on there and put my best foot forward to get it, and not doing it. So this time around, I'm like, okay, I'm going to be serious. I really want this particular colorway. So let me go ahead and just really try. And as soon as I went on the site, I mean, literally, it was just quick and easy. I checked out. I did it through PayPal, and they gave me, my confirmation email. So it wasn't hard at all, but you do have to be diligent about really like checking the site and seeing when they're having these certain releases of the whatever color you may be interested in. So let me go ahead and just show you which color I got, what bag I got, what size, and you probably can kind of gauge the size based off the dust bag that I showed you. But let me go ahead and just pull it out because I'm so excited. I have not been able to even open the bag yet. I literally just glanced just to make sure it looked all right. So yeah, it comes with a really nice dust bag. This is like a very nice cloth material. It feels really really sturdy. I like that. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap or anything like that. So that's the first thing. All right guys, and this is the one I got a Telfar bag in white. I did not have a white handbag at all, y'all. As you can see, I'm like more of a dark hue of a handbag. So I've really been trying to add more color into my handbag collection, and really just being intentional about the handbags that I purchased. And I knew I wanted to support a Black designer. It was Black History Month when I purchased this. I know, yeah, by the time y'all see this video, it's probably well into March, but I really just wanted to support some Black designers. And you're going to start seeing me do more and more of that here on this channel, because I like luxury, but I really just want to pay homage to a lot of the Black designers that are out here doing the darn thing. So let me go ahead and just pull it out. First time it's been out of this wrapper. So I got the small, and the small one, I believe this retails for $150, 150 US dollars. And let's see. And I don't know, y'all. I was like, it's white. I'm scared, but I really want it. And to be honest, I really like it. I mean, okay, so these are vegan leather. They're not real leather. So $150 may be a little steep for some for a vegan leather bag. But I mean, the Black designer, and it honestly does not feel bad at all. I mean, I feel like it's pretty you know, I like the quality of it. So it pretty much, it comes with this long strap. I'm sure you guys have all seen Telfar bags by now. So it comes with a really long strap, and then it comes with the top handle right here. And I do wish that the straps were, the long handle was removable, because I have so many ideas on how I want to wear this particular bag. And a lot of them are top handle, so I guess it'll just have this long string hanging, which I don't know how I feel about that yet, but we're gonna try to make it work. Maybe I could tuck them. Yeah. So, okay, so here it is. I'm just trying to kind of open it up. You can see the inside. This is, like I said, this is the first time that I'm seeing this bag too. So I'm like excited and everything. So it's just a big open space, as you can see. It has the Telfar logo right here in the back and the inside. And yeah, there's no pocket or anything like that, but it looks like a decent size. So if you're a person like me who just, I carry the bare minimum when I'm going somewhere, especially if I'm gonna be wearing a white bag, best believe that wherever I'm going, it's gonna be something where I'm not gonna be having a super functional handbag that particular day, because I would be so scared to get it dirty, and I'm clumsy and all that. So, and I have an without an infant now, she's more so a toddler, but you know, she's 1. And she gets into everything, and her hands always have stuff on them. So this would definitely be a bag that I probably will not be, you know, doing my mom duties while I'm wearing it. And yeah, it'll just be like a cute little, maybe like brunch, date night, girls night out type of bag. So that's why I said, so this strap here, I'm not sure exactly how much use I'll get out of the crossbody portion of this bag, but it's going to be put to use, because for summer I was in the market for a white bag, and I started to get one by Coach, and I may still look into some Coach bags, but for right now, I mean, this seems like it'll do the trick. I don't feel like I would need a plethora of white handbags, to be honest, but you never know. But yeah, like, you know, first impression, I really like it. Now I'm trying to see if this little, you know, y'all know how I feel about bends. I'm trying to see if this little bend in the back is going to come out, but it's looking like we'll be good. We'll be good there. So yeah, this is it. This is the little Telfar bag. So yeah, this is going to fit exactly what I needed to fit. And I'll probably do a video maybe where I kind of show you what fits inside. But I mean, just by looking at it, I can tell that it's definitely going to fit my phone, my keys, my wallet, you know, the essentials. I can just look at the dimensions and tell. And I have a iPhone 11 Pro Max or whatever, but I'm recording on it, so I won't be able to really show you it. But if it doesn't, I will update you guys on that. But let me go ahead and just kind of put it on crossbody so you guys can get a feel for how it looks on, and so I can get a feel too, because I ain't seen it yet. Okay, so crossbody, it's a little high for my frame, maybe because I'm, you know, a little more top heavy than I used to be. So I would say these aren't adjustable. So, you know, crossbody, it definitely, it does stop a little high. So I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, of course, I want to keep it. It's Telfar. It's like one of the hottest bags out right now, but that's how it looks crossbody. I guess you could wear it on the shoulder. Let me show you. I don't foresee myself wearing this as a shoulder bag, but it's an option. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm trying to stand on my tippy toes. But okay, so yeah. Tell me guys, have any of you been able to get your hands on this bag? I'm sure you guys probably have. And I know there's a small, and then there's like a medium, and then there's like that really big one. Let me know in the comments if you guys have, you know, what your experience has been with Telfar so far. And, you know, how has your luck been with just going on the site and getting them when they have the releases? I mean, is it really that hard to get? Or is it just, you know, people don't want to take the time out to, you know, do the work to get the bag? Because from what when I really put my mind to it, I was able to get this, and it was not hard at all. And I will be going on vacation next week, and this will be coming with me to Miami. So stay tuned for all of my Miami content that will be coming in the coming weeks. You guys are going to love that as well. And that brings us to the end of the video, guys. I don't want to ramble on too much. Just a cute little short, sweet video, just revealing my new bag. And of course, you guys know I'm going to share it with you guys because you guys seem to love these videos. These videos do pretty good here on my channel when I reveal handbags. So I definitely want to show you what I picked up. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed around this long, thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.